Young student in Camden feels like $1 million. This after winning a regional essay contest.
Alicia Vitarelli introduces us to the fourth grader from Thomas H. Dudley Family School who's been crowned Millionaire for the day.
Fourth grader Osmar rolled up to school in style this morning after winning a regional essay contest. Arriving at Thomas H. Dudley Family School in Camden in that stretched limo, Osmar was treated like a real celebrity as he held up a $1 million check. Osmar was also surprised with a school-wide assembly in his honor. He won the regional Millionaire for a Day essay contest, where he answers the question, what would you do if you were a millionaire for a day? Osmar says he would buy an unlimited supply of medication for his sister, who relies on it for a disability. He would buy a house for his family and make sure his dad only had to work one job instead of two, so he can spend more time with them. Oh, and he'd take the entire family to Walt Disney World. This celebration is part of Mid Penn Bank's MySavings program, which aims to teach kids early financial literacy. As part of his winnings, Osmar earns 90 days of interest on a $1 million bank account and lots of gifts for his classmates and teacher. Again, here's what Osmar won for that winning essay. 90 days of interest on a $1 million bank account balance, gift-filled backpacks for his entire class, and $300 in classroom funds for his teacher.